So, hello everybody. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new document on Adobe Illustrator. So first of all, we'll launch the program. So we're gonna wait a little bit to open up. So here we're going to click on File. After that, click on New. Then this page pops up in front of you. Right here, you're going to write the name of your document, for example, CH. And here we're gonna choose the profile, the document's profile. Is the work you're going to do is for a web page, for a video, or Flash Builder, or whatever. So here I will let it custom, is by default. And here you choose the number of artboards that you want to work on. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, wherever you want. Here we'll find the size. Is it on a paper A4, for the letter, for tabloid, etc. You choose whatever you want. Here comes the width. So I basically work with pixels units, but here you can find wherever you want. So centimeters, millimeters, inches, picas, points, you choose whatever you want. But I highly recommend working with pixels because it's so suitable and comfortable to work with. So here the width, and you change basically the settings. You write down the number that you want, and here the height. So basically for the bleed, we won't change anything. We're going to let it like that. So click on the advanced settings. Basically we find here color mode. You can choose RGB, but basically RGB is used for televisions, handheld devices, cell phones, etc. And here we'll find the raster effects. It's the size of the resolution. Basically we have here high. Yeah, it's for about 300 pixels per inch. This PPI stands for pixels per inch. Here the preview mode, basically I work with default, but if your profile document is a web, it means that you are doing this work for a web page or whatever, you choose pixels. They are more accurate and shows how exactly this work will show is viewed on the computer screen. So I highly recommend choosing pixels. And basically you click on this align new objects to pixel grid. So this option basically it keeps your artwork very clean, so that they look so great and good on your device. I want to tell you another thing about the profile documents. So basically when you choose an option here, basically those settings changes. For example, we will click on web. So basically the size has changed automatically, and the color mode and the screen, the raster effect has changed too. So there is no problem here. So this is the size of the work that you will do. And here you find the color mode RGB. Basically it stands for red, green, and blue. Raster effects. So here we have a screen 72 ppi. Basically the screen's resolution here is basically very low. It's a lower resolution because it stands for televisions and handheld devices and cell phones. You can find it on web, and you can find it too in videos and film. So it's the same raster effect. Basically, I will go back to the first one. I will let it in a web way. You can change the raster effects. Basically, it's the resolution. You can make it high, and you don't forget to click on the align new objects to pixel grid. So basically, it gives you a good result. Click on OK, and basically this is how it works. So yeah, so thank you for your attention and have a good day. See you in the next video.